I'll be teaching you guys how to make these amazing pumps. This is a trending female pumps in Nigeria. So I'll be using a couple of materials and equipment. So we have the shoe last. Yeah, that is the shoe last we'll be using. This is last 30. Guess what size it is in the comment section. Then we have the fiber. We have the fiber. That is the fiber. Yeah, this is what the fiber looks like. Then we have the faceless, what we call the Marco. That is the Marco. Marco 4, to be precise. Then we have the Nora. The Nora, that's the main sole I'll be using. That's the main sole that I'll be using. So let's start. We'll be starting by sole pattern. I'll be using the sole pattern to trace first the sole, that is the outer sole, before we now create the insole. All right. So you place your sole pattern, you trace around using your stitch marker or your pen, the way you're seeing. Then you flip. Just flip to the other face of the material. Then you trace. Now remember, this is without welt. There'll be no gauge, so that is why you're tracing this way. There'll be no gauge, so there's no gauge allowance. You trace straight on the paper. Then we have the heel pattern. It's a heel pattern, so we'll be tracing the heel pattern too. So after tracing, we cut along the tracing line. You cut carefully. So you cut the heel also. Cut the heel. Alright. So you have the heel. So heel to now trace out the heel region. Alright. So give a little allowance for placing, then trace it out. Mark it out. Once you mark, you'll be going for scraping. We have to scrape this side that we marked out. Just watch. Mark it out carefully. Then you go for scraping. Watch as the hand scraper. So in the absence of the filing machine, you can use the hand scraper in some cases. Alright. So you scrape here, you also scrape. Watch carefully. Now for those of you that will be saying, I don't have filing machine, I cannot make a pair. You can make a pair without a filing machine, okay? There are literally two things you can trace or scrape with the hand scraper. Stuff like this. Alright. So after scraping, now you apply gum to attach the heel to the sole, okay? So watch carefully. Apply gum. And you rub carefully. Allow for drying, then you can place. So you place carefully. Place on the region you scraped out. Apply pressure. You can hit it with mallets. You hit it with mallets. Cut out the excesses. So we are done with the outer, so we'll be creating the insole now. We'll be using the fiber and the Marco to create the insole. We'll still use the sole pattern to trace the insole. Remember, there's no gauge in, so you are using the same pattern. Alright, so you trace round carefully. Avoid your hands from shaking. Just stabilize the paper and trace it. So you flip the paper and trace. That is right and left, left and right. You cut. Now you cut on top of the line. The tracing line, you're cutting along the tracing line on top. Make sure you have a straight cutting. Alright, once you're done cutting, then we'll be joining the Marco and the fiber together. And by rubbing your gum on the surface, rub the gum on the surface, make sure you spray the gum evenly on the surface of the fiber and the faceless. Allow for drying, then you place them together. So we're placing, place carefully. Carefully. So this is how you form the insole, your fiber, and your Marco. Alright, gum on the both surface, and allow for drying, and you place them. Apply pressure by hitting using mallets. You hit. Then you can now use your scissors to cut. You cut. You cut along the line. So after now, we'll be joining the insole and the outer sole together for filing. Right, so watch what we're gonna do. Watch carefully. So by rubbing gum partly, on the four corner side, Yeah. Then you do the same thing on the outer sole. You rub on the four corner side. Allow the gum to dry partly, then place them together. Then you go for filing. Drop your hand. So that's what we're doing. You place it together and then go for filing using the filing machine. So we try to file now. So after filing, then go to wrap the floor.